morning everyone, welcome to Tesha T.V. So this morning I'm having some sweetening tea by the riverside. So guys, this morning while drinking this tea, an idea come to my mind. I will be like, why not try some sweetening drink? Let's see how that turns out. So let's go and make some sweetening drink. So stay tuned and continue to watch.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns.
Okay, so I have my cedar grass and my ginger. The ginger is already washed. So I'm going to add the pot. And then I'm going to pour some water in it. I'm going to wash the fever grass. I'm going to and tie it or cut it. Tie it up. My ginger is already washed, so I'm going to add my ginger to the pot. You might can blend your ginger if you wish, but I'm going to try this way, boiling it first. So now I am going to cover the pot and leave it to boil. Okay guys, so now I am going to check on the fever grass. Oh, coming on nicely. So soon time to come off. It's about 5 minutes now. So I'm going to let it sit for about 2 more minutes, then take it off and leave it to cool. So continue to watch and see what happens. Okay guys, so now it's time to remove the pot. And then I'm going to leave it to cool. So stay tuned. Watch what I want, because this has to cool first. So let's see. When it cool, I'm going to add some lemon or lime and some granulated sugar to it. Okay guys, so now the cedar grass is already cooled and strained, poured in a glass. So now here I have with me some freshly squeezed lime juice and some granulated sugar. So now it's time to sweeten it. See how it tastes. Not a lot of sugar, because I don't like sugar. So let's say this.
More sugar.
Okay, so now it's time to taste and see. Have a stir it down a little. Yeah. Look nice. Say the thing will make tea and drink it. So let's see. Alright. This is really, really, really good. Guys, you should try this one, trust me. So guys, continue to watch Tesha T.V. Stay tuned. So please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.